guys, my name is Sange and I am going to show you some furnace designs you can make at your kitchen. So first, for this design, you need some furnace and some block of your choice. Put your furnace first. Put your floor. Put your furnace. And make it some high, make it very high, and then put one block here like this. So this design is kind of simple. And now let's go to the next design. For this next design, we would need some block of your choice, furnace, some pressure plates, and another block which is similar to the block that you are using to make the wall. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. You can make this one as long as you like. And then for this one, crouch, put your pressure plates, and then take the block which is similar and then put it like this, exactly like this one, but this one has the block similar to the wall and some pressure plates. If you also put pressure plates, still you can cook something in the furnace. But I still have a question. Like pumpkin pies, cookies, and all foods are cooked with the help of, and also made with the help of the cooked with the help of the furnace. I mean, they're just like the food and all are made like the furnace, but why pumpkin pies and like all baking stuffs are made with crafting table? I have that confusing my mind from a very long time. Okay, and now we're going to make the third design. For this third design, you would need some block of your choice, furnace, pressure plates, and some stairs. Let's make the floor 1 2 3 4 5. Let's make a 6. Now this one you will kind of make it tall, but not that tall. And here, put your furnace. Oh no, I forgot it needs to be odd. Let's one more block to make it odd. There we go. And then put some blocks like here. Put pressure plates everywhere. I mean like the pressure plates everywhere. Make something like oh no, like this. Then like this. And then for this last one, you will need some block of your choice. Instead of furnace, we will use some Minecraft with hopper. We also need some piston, block of redstone to activate it, and I guess, oh yeah, we need some any rail you can also use detector rail. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, wait a sec. 7. Should I make it 7, guys? Yep. Oh, and you also need some slab. Let's take slab. For this design, you can make your wall short if you want. And put some block at the sides, and then put the slab to a block, rail, minecart with hopper, like this. Oh no. Wait a sec, I think I forgot to make it always stay. Okay, and now let's make it once more. Take this rail, and then you also need some iron trapdoor. Put your iron trapdoor here. The piston facing this words, their hair words, like in the direction where the iron trapdoor is, and then like ooh, this, let's push it. Oh yeah. And if you want, you can take some furnace and some crafting table. Put some furnace at the sides. Something like this. So these were the furnace designs. Hope you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Like if you like this video. Until the next video. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. And if you have any ideas, don't forget to comment it down below. Don't be shy. I'm going to do whatever you say. Bye-bye.